Well, I'm recording this one from Al Basha in Dubai, in a 6th-floor building known as Al Basha Boutique, Al Shaya Company. Well, we are going to discuss about ABB VFD or VSD, depending on how you'd like to call it. Well, we're going to discuss basic things on the VFD. Basic things. The first thing that we are going to discuss about wiring. As you can see, it is not arranged properly, it is not dressed properly. But in order to run on hand, you can see this one is the output, 24 volts out. 24 volts out. You can link it between 24 volts out and digital input 6. Digital input 6, you can see. Digital input 6. Then you come, once you have linked that one to run on hand, you come to your keypad, go to parameter. Once you go to parameter, there are a few basic things that you are going to program. Few basic things that you are going to program once you go to your parameter. Well, you will go to group 10, start stop. Group 10 start stop, select. Once you go to group 10 start stop, go to 101. 101, I've already selected to be digital input 1. Exit. Go 1002, which I've already selected to digital input 6. Then you go group 11. Group 11, you go 102. 102, I've selected digital input 1 inverter, into brackets inverter. Okay. Then you go group 12. 1201. 1201, digital input 1 into brackets inverter. This one will, and the speed, you can set your speed from group 1202. This is where you can change the speed depending on the required speed, the speed that you require. At the moment I've set 36.6. I've saved it. Then I exit, and you can see I can run from here. I can run, and it will ramp up to 36.6, which I have already selected. Basically, that is a simple wiring, a simple illustration of the wiring, very simple, that you want to run on hand. On the other hand, you find that I have locked the keypad. You cannot operate hand, you cannot run hand from the keypad. Let's say if I switch off here, if I switch off there, let it ramp down. They ramp down. You find that you cannot run from the keypad. You cannot run from the keypad. Suppose I press hand, you can see it will not run. Why? Because I want to group group 16, parameter, go parameter, group 16, system control, select, we go to 1606. 1606 I've already lock. This loco I had already locked it, but you can unlock it. You can unlock it by select, go to not selected, save. The moment you save it, exit, then you can run from there. You can run and stop from there. But if at all it was selected, 1606, that's where we are. If at all it was on, I have locked the loco, the keypad. You cannot operate from the keypad. It's on. Exit. You find that you cannot run it from here. Oh, I did not save it. I have to switch off. I have to go back. I did not save it. I have to go back. Let me go back. Parameter 1606. So the local keypad, I save it, I exit, I switch on auto. Once I switch on auto, I cannot run it from here. It's impossible to run it from here. But if at all I had been running on hand, and somebody comes and switch off from here, it will show alarm 2017. Alarm 2017 will show that already loco is not selected to run from the keypad, but you are trying to stop from the keypad. So what will happen? It will show that alarm, but you can simply reset by pressing the hand. That will continue as usual. It will indicate once more, but it will indicate as usual. The alarm is gone. Okay. That is basically a simple illustration on ABB VFD.